Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. And Nozipho Ntshangana's husband, Uzola, was getting married in a luxury celebration. Itolo okuyisandi kumhlaka 1 June. Bethi mhlaka 1 itola ngithi, yeah, please correct me if I'm mistaken, but ngicabanga ukuthi bethi mhlaka 1 June yesterday, and the guy was getting married. Shada anel-2K lakhe uMisokuhle. So guys, uNozipho and Uzola have been married for 17 years, Kesana, and they've been raising their 8 kids together. And labaning babo bantwana khona lapho bantwana balendoda qhamuke nabo emshadweni, wabamukela ke ugele, wabakhulisa like her own kids, abathanza ngendlela lesimanga. After 17 years bhuti uthini kuNosipho? Uthi nje mina kuNozipho, uthi nje mina ngidifonela aSthembu, I want a second wife. Walwa ke ugele kwabangiloko guys, ukuthi it's not easy to just accept into lefana naleyo, but unfortunately ndoda obeseyikhulumile ingasavisa isilutho idifonela nje li-2K layo, ingasa understand next Kesana. Then she finally accepted, not agreed per se, but she finally accepted ukuthi inkosi yami athi ngivumele i-defeat because sengiyothini. Okay, ushadile ke as at last year the guy washada lapha, sambona shada kaShembe, and yesterday bekashada a white wedding kugqweleni ashada ugele and the guy Kesana Hip. Umbona nje ukuthi uHip umfana anel-2K lakhe akavise isilutho nje kumnanzi i-celebration ngiyakutshela wena. And people were asking ukuthi where is Nozipho? Guys, nifuna ukuthi abephi Nozipho? Do you guys want or you guys wanted to say hey lapha emshadweni naye ahlekelela hlampa happy? I really don't understand mase bantu babuta ukuthi uphi Nozipho, nifuna kumendani guys. The Mami Club star was nowhere to be seen lapha, and it's only understandable. Uyoye laphana ayowendani guys, it doesn't make sense. Ngena babona bomamkhulu, I don't know hlampe ngile nababona elsewhere emishadweni emadoda abo bakhona, but it really doesn't make sense for me because one, you're not even happy about Leah Union, so why would you be there? Uyowendani, like serious uyowendani. So bashada itolo. It seems like madoda kaShembe guys athanda Thembu. I don't know why, but most of them njengazuthi abaneti Thembu. I don't understand why. Yo guys, kubuhlungu kakhulu. Shemshade nemuntu 17 years. I think it's really easy if umuntu utomtshela from the start ukuthi okay, mina I'm this kind of a person, and kuya kwesikhathi ngiyothanza ukuthi ngisithathe iSthembu. Mase umqhamukela nebhom umuntu after 17 years wena sowufuna iSthembu, it really doesn't make sense, and kubonakala ngazuthi uqiniso awuzange ulende from the beginning. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.